Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable FaceTime on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to enable FaceTime on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for your Apple account. You have to make sure that you have an Apple account, but if you won't have any ones, you just have to create one. It's free. After creating an Apple account, you just have to go to main settings and then go for apps. Here's the apps, just select it. In apps, you just have to look for FaceTime app, select it, and here you can see the FaceTime app has been disabled. You just have to tap on it to enable it, and here's I have enabled it. Now wait for 2 or 5 seconds. But if you won't get these settings here, you have to relaunch the settings app, then apps, and here select FaceTime, and here you will get all the settings of your FaceTime app, and now you will be able to use your FaceTime. Here is this Gmail or your Apple account which you have to use, and after that, now open FaceTime app, and here create a link of your FaceTime. Here add a link name, so now you are able to use your FaceTime app on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.